right types of insurance for business. We are going to discuss 8 types of insurance policies for small businesses to consider. You may have to get different types of insurance depending on the industry you are in. That's because every business faces unique challenges and risks. While there are many types of insurance that you can get, read about 8 policies that many small businesses can get to help and protect them from a variety of risks. Number one is general liability insurance. General liability insurance helps protect your business from claims that it caused. For example, bodily injury to someone else, property damage to another person's belongings, personal injury like libel or slander. Number two is commercial property insurance. It helps protect your owned or rented building and equipment that you use to run your business. Be aware that this insurance does not cover damage from earthquakes or floods. You will likely have to get a separate policy, like commercial flood insurance, to help protect your business from these kind of claims. Number three is business income insurance. If you cannot run your business because of covered property damage, business income insurance can help replace your lost income. So, you can use this coverage to help pay for ongoing expenses like rent, utility bills, or payrolls. This type of insurance is also known as business interruption insurance. Number four is professional liability insurance. Professional liability insurance helps cover lawsuits claiming that you made a mistake in the service you provide. This type of insurance is also known as errors and omissions insurance. Number fifth is workers' compensation insurance. Gives your employees benefits if they get hurt or sick from their job. These benefits can help. Number one is pay for their medical bills, replace most of their lost wages if they miss work to recover. Number three, cover funeral costs if they lost their life due to a work-related injury or illness. Pay for ongoing care like physical therapy. Most states require business that employees carry workers' compensation insurance. You can face fines, penalties, criminal charges if you do not comply with your state's law. Number six is data breach insurance. It helps your business respond to a data breach if personally identifiable information gets lost or stolen. Someone insures may call this coverage cyber insurance. Data breach insurance can help pay your costs to notify impacted individuals, offer identity theft monitoring services, create a public relations campaign. Number seven is commercial umbrella insurance. It covers the limits for some of your liability policies. If a claim exceeds the limits on your policy, your umbrella insurance can help cover the differences. Number eight is commercial auto insurance. It helps to protect your employee on the road if driver, company owned vehicle or businesses can cover property damages, bodily injury claims for an accident your business caused. This is important because a personal can insurance policy would not help cover third party claims in an accident you cause with a business owned vehicle. I hope this helps you to get more knowledge about the types of business insurance. If you have any query, you can write this in the comment section. You can see it below. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Have a good day.